Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of October in the year 2024, our system has classified supermicrocomputer with a status of hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.98. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.04% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average daily loss of 0.00% since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is situated at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $50.40 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 29.24% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 59.20% to negative 24.56%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests an 18.75% change over the next year, with a potential return between 4.37% and 231.16%. This translates to a price range from $49.34 to $156.54 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Supermicrocomputer as Stock Downgraded to Hold Accumulate. The supermicrocomputer stock price gained 2.25% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of October, 2024, rising from $46.23 to $47.27. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.15%, with a low of $46.46 and a high of $48.39. The price has experienced volatility during this period, leading to a loss of 1.11% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, signaling a positive technical trend, with a total of 8 million more shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 32 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $122.90, while the lowest price was $22.66. Currently, the stock price is 61.54%, or $75.63, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Supermicrocomputer, identified by the ticker symbol SMCI, is currently confronted with substantial legal challenges, as numerous class action lawsuits have been initiated against the company for alleged securities fraud. These lawsuits focus on claims of misleading information that may have affected investors during a defined class period from February 2021 to September 2024. This legal turmoil arises during a time when the stock has experienced a significant downturn, having fallen over 62% from its peak earlier this year, suggesting that investors are increasingly concerned about the company's future. The approaching deadline of October 29th, 2024, for investors to participate in these class actions intensifies this unease. Should these lawsuits prevail, they may result in substantial financial penalties for Supermicro, further eroding investor confidence and potentially pushing the stock price down even more in the short term. In the longer run, if the company successfully navigates these legal challenges, it could stabilize and rebuild trust among investors. Nonetheless, the persistent uncertainty may lead to ongoing volatility. In summary, the current legal environment and the recent performance of the stock present a grim outlook for SMCI, both in the immediate and distant future, heavily shaped by prevailing market sentiment and investor responses to legal developments. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a buy rating with an initiate recommendation. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro. The Supermicro stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be a correction, support levels are expected at $46.78 and $44.93. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 22.32%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or a MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, reinforcing this as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 74 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 98 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $44.88 and $44.35. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Supermicro has support just below today's level at $44.88. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $44.35 and $40.24. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.93 between its high and low, or 4.15%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 4.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of November 2024. Analyst consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. It is wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $49.27. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $44.88. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of August, 2024, Giordano Suzzi conducted an insider purchase of 296 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of August, 2024, Giordano Suzzi conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Daniel W. Fairfax conducted an insider purchase of 316 shares of restricted stock units. On the 9th of August, 2024, Tally C. Liu conducted an insider purchase of 515 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 9th of August, 2024, Tally C. Liu also conducted an insider purchase of 158 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've assessed that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 4.839. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 13,816 shares and sold 15,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $45.36, which reflects a decrease of 4.04%. This stock exhibits medium daily price movements, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 35 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we monitor further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate position since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of October, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer will open at approximately 10 cents higher and begin trading at $47.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.